chapter explores the diverse types of relationships that exist within supply chain in the hospitality industry. It moves beyond a transactional view, emphasizing the importance of understanding the different level of commitment and collaboration involved. The key takeaway is the successful supply chains require carefully cultivated relationships to the specific needs and goals of the involved parties. The chapter categorizes these relationships into three main types: transactional, collaborative, and strategic. The chapter emphasizes that for any relationship to succeed, all parties must have confidence in one another. Agreements are often necessary due to the sensitive nature of information exchange. Negotiations should not be solely focused individual gain. The chapter concludes with discussion questions to encourage critical thinking and application of concepts. These questions prompt reflection on the different areas to consider in supplier relationship, the importance of various supply chain relationships, and detailed explanation of one chosen. These questions are designed to solidify understanding and promote deeper engagement with the material. In conclusion, this chapter emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing supply chain relationships. The three main types, transactional, collaborative, and strategic, represent spectrum of commitment, each with its own advantage and disadvantage. Choosing the appropriate type of relationship is crucial for the success of hospitality businesses.